Welcome to QuizRun today. We're diving into Pick One, Kick One, Indian Street Food Edition. But careful, this video is going to make you very hungry, so grab your snacks, hit that subscribe button, and let's begin this delicious challenge. All right, have fun, pick one or kick one. Vada pav or samosa pav. Pani puri or shev puri. Pav bhaji or misal pav. Dabeli or ragda patich. Bhel puri or sev batata puri. Frankie roll or Kathy roll. Kanda bhajia or batata vada. Aloo tiki chat or dahi puri. Chole bhaturi or rajma chawal. Momos or Hakka noodles. Masala dosa or idli sambar. Paneer tikka or chicken tikka. Egg roll or cheese burst Frankie. Corn chat or fruit chat. Kulcha chole or amritsari naan. Pav bhaji or tawa pulav. Keema pav or anda pav. Vada pav or bhaji pav. Pani puri or ragda puri. Samosa chat or aloo tiki chat. Sev puri or papdi chat. Kulfi faluda or ice gola. Jalebi or imarti. Rabdi malpua or gulab jamun. Kesar pista kulfi or matka kulfi. Masala chai or cold coffee. Filter coffee or cutting chai. Thick shake or faluda. Kachori or samosa. Bread pakoda or mirchi bhajia. Bombay sandwich, or grilled cheese sandwich? Veg puff or paneer puff? Chinese bell or Szechuan Maggi? Veg momos or paneer momos? Chili potato or honey chili cauliflower? Spring roll or cheese roll? Pav bhaji dosa or ginny dosa? Dokla or kaman? Amras puri or puran poli? Kulfi faluda or ras malai? Mango lassi or chas? Ice cream sandwich or brownie with ice cream? Street burger or cheese sandwich? Sweet corn chaat or boiled peanut chaat? Veg cutlet or harab hara kebab? Pav bhaji or paneer pav? Veg frankie or egg frankie? Dahi bhala or papdi chaat? Choli kulche or paneer kulcha? Ice cream or ice gola? That's it for today's challenge. Tell us in the comments, which dish could you never kick? If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to QuizRun, and don't forget to comment your score.